Hi! In front of me is Nokia G11 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, access device's settings and choose security over here. Now you need to tap on face unlock and enter your current login method. When you're ready to set up face unlock, tap on start at the bottom right corner and remember to keep your face in frame. Then choose done at the bottom right corner, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. As you can see, face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!